Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the most important concepts in modern AI, RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. If you have ever wondered how AI chatbots can give accurate answers using your documents, company's data, or up-to-date info, this video is for you. We will explain RAG in the simplest way possible, show you where it is used, and later in the series we will build a RAG system from scratch live on screen. So let's dive in. First, let's understand why we need RAG. Large language models like ChatGPT are super smart, but they have three big limitations. They can't access your private data like company documents, research papers, or personal notes. Their knowledge is outdated. They were trained on a data up to a certain date. For example, if LLM is trained up to a 2023, so they don't know about 2024 and 2026 events. They sometimes hallucinate, meaning they make up facts that sounds real but are wrong. Imagine you ask a chatbot, what was our company's Q4 revenue in 2025? A normal LLM can't answer because that data wasn't in its training. That's where RAG comes in. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Let's break that down. Retrieval. The system searches for relevant information from a knowledge base like your documents. Augmented. It adds the information to the question. Generation. The LLM uses that extra context to the generated accurate answer. So instead of relying only on its training, the AI first looks up facts, then answers based on what it found. Think of it like this. Normal LLM, I remember this from my training. Might be wrong. RAG, let me search your documents first. Okay, now I will answer. Much more accurate. Here's the RAG process in 4 simple steps. Step 1. You ask a question. For example, what are the written policies for electronics? Step 2. Retrieval. The system searches your knowledge base like PDF, websites, database and finds the most relevant documents. It uses a semantic search, meaning it understands the meaning, not just a keyword. Step 3. Augmentation. The system combines your question plus the found documents into a one big prompt. Okay, so step 4. So that particular prompt is sent to an LLM. So LLM will generate your accurate answer. You might ask, why not just retrain the LLM on new data? Good question. Here's why RAG is better. Retraining or fine-tuning is very expensive and slow, still can't access a real-time data. Prompt engineering only. LLM still hallucinate, no access to external docs. Okay, RAG. Cheap, fast, uses your actual data, no retraining needed. RAG is the most practical way to give AI custom knowledge. RAG is used everywhere today. Here are the top 5 use cases. Customer support chatbots, enterprise knowledge assistants, medical or legal Q&A, AI research assistants, personal AI note chatbots. The key benefits are AI answers are accurate, up to date, and grounded in real data, not guesses. Now you know what RAG is, why it's useful, and where it is used. In the next video, we will build a RAG system from scratch, step by step. I will show you a real code, but keep it simple and beginner friendly. So if you are ready to build your own AI that chats with your documents, hit subscribe and let's continue in the next video.